were going to distribute food to poor and homeless people. The person who helped was Ishikashi Dorje, director of Vijay Kun family. A sponsor who donated Dr. Tenzin Norya, 6 years old, daughter of Father Nobu Bukari and mother Amson from Tenzin Choke Sakya from New $100, Ahmad Sirin Roma from Milestone, $150, Tenzin Sirin and Sonam Lama from New Jersey, $40. The total amount was 640 convert Nepali rupees 73,080 rupees. The expenses that were spent are food 55,000, water 4,400, fruit 4,000, yogurt, water 3,500, transportation 6,000, total 72,900.
क्या वो भाई झोला मेरा धेरै मान्छेहरु छ सोचेको भन्दा बढी मान्छे भयो
Yeah, Lord Buddha. I'm a devotee of Lord Buddha and Pashupatinath. Came from India. I'm very much thankful to Mr. Keshi Toshe.